Hi, in this tutorial today I will be showing you how to thread your Quilt Maker Pro 16. Today I'll be using Omni's Superior thread. The first thing I will do is place my cone of thread on the thread stand. I will then get the end of my thread and come up through the top of the thread stand. I will then come through the hole right here at the top of the machine. And then when I get to right here, you'll notice that there are 3 holes. For this type of thread, I'm going to go through the top hole, and I'm going to skip the middle hole and go through the bottom hole. The next thread guide will be right here on the side of the machine. Then you will come to the tension disc. Be very careful to make sure that you are actually getting your thread in between the 2 discs. This sometimes is missed. Dental floss it to make sure it's good and nice and snug in there. Then you'll come down where it'll come with this little spring, and you'll go under this thread guide right here. After coming underneath this bar right here, you will go through the take-up lever. Then you'll go through the thread guide that is right here on the side of the machine. You'll go through the first guide at the top of the needle, and then you'll go through the eye of the needle. Sometimes it might be helpful to snip the end of the thread so that it doesn't have any fuzz and it's easier to thread the eye. And that is how you thread your machine.